How to add to cart on joann. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can add some products here in joann.com into your cart or shopping bag. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically, the common mistake is to believe that you're going into your checkout into your cart, but here the name of your cart is the shopping bag. So let me introduce you that. For instance, I'm gonna try to buy some holiday decor and I'm going to select, let's suppose, Christmas stockings. And now let's just select this. So you're going to obtain all the options that you have, for instance, the texture, the color, the size of it. If you want, you can add some promo code, the quantity, and also how to get it shipped to me or pick up in Wichita on your city, I mean nearby you. So if I add it to bag for shipping, let me close this, add to bag for shipping, automatically this is going to have my shopping bag like accumulating my products. Here I have the number 1 for it. I can continue shopping to add some other products or go into the cart and check out. So I'm going directly there to my checkout. There's where you have to finish the data and to confirm and just to proceed to the payment method. And in that way, you're going to obtain your products. But that's how you can add to cart or shopping bag in this case on joann.com. Thanks for watching.